Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you've been following along, this is our 5th day of our Kona, Hawaii trip. Today we're going to go visit Sadie Sizemore Botanical Garden before taking the afternoon to go check out one of the coolest small beaches in Hawaii, Hunnell's Beach. And then at night we go to the Voyager of the Pacific Luau, so stay tuned to check that out. The fire dancing's amazing.
We're making it to the Botanical Garden in Kona, and it's open Monday to Friday 10 to 4. Let's go to see all the beautiful plants in here.
The Sadie Sizemore Botanical Garden is divided into several sections from around the world. There's the African section, Central American, South American, and Polynesian sections, along with many others. It's not too large of a garden, but free to visit and definitely worth a stop. So looking at the garden, all the different tiers have steps to them. So if you're not very good with steps or uneasy on your feet, this might not be the spot for you. We couldn't find any handicap accessible or wheel accessible pathways down, but the stairs were only 2 or 3 treads at a time.
I don't know. Well,
I think the last farmer's market was selling them to make tea out of, but I'm not sure. Don't take my advice on it.
Don't make the disclaimer. He doesn't remember very.
Unfortunately, garden or signage isn't very good, so I can't find a sign telling us what plant this is.
We find the crazy flower. Don't not break it.
So beautiful.
It's so cute.
Looks like something out of the sea, like a, I don't know what. Absolutely gorgeous.
Wow. And there is more. I mean, this is the trio.
So it's a coral hibiscus from Africa. The type of hibiscus tree.
Look at it. I don't know how to record this way. But they have bees, so we have to be careful. I find the button to turn the other way to show you the tree.
And this other little, the one that smells really nice, is called a starflower. That was that little brown cover, this one.
I don't know, but they are so cute and the smell is so beautiful. And they cut the tree in here. Now we're going to the part of the island where is Indian trees. West Indian. West Indian.
It's actually
South America is the last one on this garden. Panama plant. And guess what? We're the only one on this garden.
yeah, some people showed up and they weren't sure if it was open, so they just left.
you think about the Botanical Garden?
Botanical Garden is nice. I think we only spent 15 minutes there. Really nice, quick stop. Beautiful little garden. Plants from all over the world and beautiful flowers in there. It's not like a perfume store.
Now we're on the way to the beach. We find a nice sunny day to go there.
It was.
It was.
Hopefully the clouds don't come in.
I'm not really happy. I just find out Alex got COVID. My son got COVID and he's in Vegas and I'm in Hawaii. But I'm lucky my mom and my sister take care of him because he's got fever. And hopefully they won't gonna get it and he's gonna be good. So love you, Alex. This flower is a vine, grows on top of everything. I wish it grows in Hawaii, in Las Vegas.
It does.
Because I don't know, I didn't see it too many places. I think I saw in California some places, but never in Vegas. And they are so pretty, and they are everywhere here.
All the
In
different colors
Hawaii,
of them too.
and yes. They said trash, free ocean. Don't litter. That's good. So we get to the little beach. And I have a bench. That's what I'm going for. This one is ours. I got my champagne with this view. Look at that. What's better, champagne or this view?
I can't hear you over the way.
Cheers!
Cheers. Very protective.
Good job, baby. We're protecting now. Ben find a piece of shell.
There really aren't any good shells in Hawaii. You're not supposed to collect them anyway, so don't.
Bye-bye, shell. You can take the trolley also here in Kona, and it's like $1 or $2, and it take you to the white sand beach, and they stop you downtown.
It runs up and down in the city of where is this? Kona.
Kona, it's like Alley Drive.
Alley Drive, yeah. It goes up and down Alley Drive in downtown Kona, and it's only a couple of dollars. So you don't have to have a rental car if you don't want one in Kona, but I really recommend it.
And now we are on the way back to the hotel to get ready to go have dinner in Luau at the Voyager of the Sea.
It's the Voyager Luau at the Royal Kona.
Yeah.
Does that sound right?
Which is here. We haven't decided if we're gonna walk.
This is the closest beach park to downtown Kona, but if I remember right, it has a rocky shoreline and hardly any sand at all.
I'm recording us going to Royal
Is that the Royal Kona?
Royal Hawaiian or Royal Kona? We're going for a luau.
At the Voyager Luau.
Voyager Luau, and it's such a pretty place. Let's go.
That's it.
I see a crab right
They're
over
hard to
there.
see, but you see the little lump ones that are shells but are black? I think those are abalone. You see which ones I mean?
That's showing my camera how many black crabs are there. Woo.
So this is an emu, which is a Hawaiian barbecue essentially. It's what they cook the kalua pork in and all sorts of other Hawaiian dishes. It's a slow roasting process. It takes all day, but at dinner it's ready and delicious. This is where you walk into the venue to see the show. As you can see, it's outdoor seating, family style, so you're sharing tables with other people. It's a great sunset view from here, and we're just getting ready for this show to start. Went and grabbed some drinks for me and Chris. We already have our food, which is buffet style here. And you can see it there, all sorts of good stuff.
In Queens. It is King Kamehameha the Great who lived and reigned in this very area. And we're going to share with you our history, our culture, our music, our dances, and our food and drinks.
Give us wine, beer, stuff. They have water, coffee, all kinds of things. And here they are singing. They are on the line to get the food.
ISC dressing, that sounds good. All right.
Ben's got his salad. What did you like?
You recording me? Oh. Well, we just are finishing by dinner here at the Luau. They had kalua pork, which was really good. The mahi-mahi was really good. They had a teriyaki beef, which was pretty good. And of course, the coconut bread, which sounds funny, but is absolutely delicious. What do you got, baby?
I got the new lace.
You got your new lace?
So nice.
Yeah?
I love it.
Oh, Plumeria lace?
Yes.
Paid $15 from the guy selling them on the streets, huh?
Yes. Really nice.
Not bad, huh?
Yeah. And we find on the way to the hotel people play volleyball, a lot of restaurants, a lot of stuff, and a lot of pretty flowers. So we stopped.